Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get any app shortcut icons in desktop screen of any Ubuntu computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using Ubuntu. So you can see I'm using an Ubuntu computer. So here are tons of applications I already have. So let me show you by going to the app drawer. So you can see here, say if I want to add this app icon in the desktop, so if you try to right click, still there is no option. So if you select this add to favorite, it will be added to the Ubuntu dock. So it's not a app shortcut in the desktop screen. So how you can get any app shortcut icons in the desktop screen of any Ubuntu computer? So for this, what you need to do, you can see files, or if you don't see here files on the Ubuntu dock, then just go to show application and search the files here if you don't see in the Ubuntu dock. So just go to the files, then after that you can see here in the bottom other locations, right? Just select this. Now you can see here on the right side the first option, computer. Just select this, and now just select this folder named as USR. Just open this folder, and now after that just go to this folder named as share. Just open it, and now here you can see one folder named as applications. So under this folder you will get all the applications that has been installed in your respective Ubuntu computer. So these are all the application files. So here what I will do, I'll just try to create a app shortcut. So what I will do, I'll just select a calculator applications. So as you can see here, this is a calculator application. So just right mouse click on your mouse and just select this copy, and just on the desktop screen just right mouse click again and just paste it here. So we have brought this calculator on the desktop screen, right? Now just right click on this file and just select this properties, and you can see here options, permission. Just select this, and below just enable this option, allow executing file as program, and now you can close it. And once again just right mouse click on this file or application, and now you can see one option named as allow launching. And once you click it, it will convert into the real app icon. So now your app shortcuts of the respective application is ready to use. So now you can double left click to use it as an app shortcut. So this is the way how you can get any app shortcut icons in desktop screen of any Ubuntu computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find any difficulty in using this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.